Okay, if you see some white stuff on my face, it's the Noxzema. I just washed my hair and, I try to protect my face against the oil. But anyway, as you can see, I'm doing pipe cleaners. Hadn't done these in a while, so my hair needed to be badly washed. So I already got the conditioner stuff in. So I'm gonna do a few on this side and then come back when I'm done. I was gonna do lock knots, but pipe cleaners are a little tighter. So here we go. I take 3. I do 3 at a time. Just rub the conditioner in. I already have my pipe cleaners done. See my little knot at the end. So what I do, I'm gonna try to do this in the camera. I put the circle at the end, and then it's not close enough for me. Put it right there. Wrap it a little bit, and then you see you have it like that, and you start rolling up the pipe cleaner. Rolling up the pipe cleaner. Rolling up the pipe cleaner. And then, I lost it. So then you have your little end there, and I just fold it over, as so, and take this in and clip it down. And then at the end, I bend them into a little style, so I don't be looking like this, but I do that at the end. So, I'm gonna speed this up, do a couple more, turn the video off, and come back when I'm done, okay? Here we go. All right, I'm done. So, I'm gonna turn around and show you guys. I got one that it was a short lock that I'm trying to fix. Okay, I'm gonna turn around. Hope y'all can see that. So, I'm gonna let this dry, put some more Noxzema on my face, and tomorrow I'm gonna like bend them, probably put a bow right here for these two, and just have these down and just wear them for a couple days. That's my plan. It doesn't look the best, but it'd be cute when I take it down. And I like the short look right now, so yeah. So these are my pipe cleaners, and I'm gonna try to style them tomorrow and show you guys what I came up with. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this like this for a couple days, probably till the weekend. Today is Monday, so probably I'm gonna wear these until Friday. So I will see you guys tomorrow when I try to adjust myself and put the bow in, show you what I'm looking like. All right, bye-bye. Hello, all. I'm about to take these out. These are still the pipe cleaners from the other day. Today is Friday. Today is takeout day. So I'm gonna take some out on camera and then come back when I take it all out. So here we go. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone is having a good day. This is the part I hate. Sometimes it's hell getting these out. But yeah. I take them out and take them apart as I go because I miss a lot. That's one. I'm going to take this one out for you guys. You unbend it, unbend the top, and if you're like me, it gets tangled in your hair. But then I try to straighten it, loosen it up at the end a little bit, and pull. And then I unwrap, take them apart. I am back. It looks like a wig. It looks like a wig. Yeah. These are the results, guys. These are the results. Looks like a wig. I remember I had a wig like this. It's crazy. But I did. I had a wig like this. And now it's my hair. Like, that's just crazy. But anyway. Yeah. I like the volume. I'll be glad when it drops a little bit, though. But I like the volume. Yeah. This is it. I'm going to try to turn around. Hopefully you all can see that. Yeah. Hi guys, it's like 12 o'clock at night. About to go to bed, but I said I'll show you guys how I keep these looking halfway decent. So, what I do is I have a bunch of these little bands right here. See that? Y'all. Okay. I have a bunch of these little bands right here. And y'all, I'm acting slow because I'm tired. So, what I do is just gather up a bunch. As you can see that. And then I put them in Mickey Mouse puffs. See that one? I do the back. Ouch. The Mickey Mouse puffs all over my head. And I do them loose so they're not hurting while I'm trying to sleep. Then I just take them out in the morning and shake. Do this one. I just take them, fold them, put this band. Make sure you do them loose because you don't want to disturb your curl pattern. That's like key. So that's the key. To not disturb your curl pattern. I mean, you going to bed looking crazy, but your man just gonna have to deal with it because it takes a lot of work to get to pipe cleaners, and ain't nobody got time to be messing up the curls. All right, that's it. I got all these puffs in my head. So, I guess I'll just keep y'all with me. I get these from Dollar Tree. You can see that. It's a little glare, I know. But I get these from Dollar Tree. And they work wonders. They really do. today was kind of the first day that I was out and about. And by out and about, I mean like Walmart. We went to a restaurant. The kids are gone for the weekend. So it's just me and my husband. And that's very rare. It's very rare. So we decided to take advantage. I just use this kind of Noxzema, if y'all can see that. I know it's a glare, and I apologize, but this is all I've used. I've used this since I was like 9 years old. No stuff. But this is all I use on my face. I will use black soap sometimes. I will wash it with black soap sometimes. But that's about it. These wipes and Noxzema. Now, if Dollar Tree ever stops selling those wipes, I'm in trouble. Oh, and I do face masks sometimes. I do face masks. But I usually just get what's on sale with those. I kind of do whatever with the face mask because I don't do those a lot. So, yeah. So, this is my nighttime routine. So, I am about to, I usually wrap it up with this. This is a lock sock. As you can see, this is in there. And I just put it all in there and go to bed. Show y'all. I wasn't gonna do this on here, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I get these locks in this lock sock. Honestly, guys, I have been locked 6 years, I think. I want to say 6 years, but anyway, very rarely do I go to bed without this. Like, that's one thing I kind of do religiously is tie my hair up. Okay, and that's it. It's all in there. See, they're all in there. You just go to bed. So, about to take me a bath and lay it down because I'm tired. So, nighttime routine. Y'all saw that. So, I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I'm going to get off of here because I look kind of crazy. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.